Today, we're visiting 3 places on Earth that look completely unreal. Grab your coffee, we're going out somewhere you won't believe exists. Socotra Island, Yemen. Dragon blood trees make the place look like it's from another planet. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. When the thin layer of salt is covered by the water, the surface becomes like a giant mirror reflecting the sky. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Springs and geothermal zones give the Earth very strange yellow, green, and orange colors.